In a previous episode, we discussed mysterious ancient pipes discovered in China's Baigong Mountains. The intriguing formations are not natural, and some experts believe they are evidence of an ancient mining operation dating back thousands of years. But the Chinese aren't the only ones who have left their mark on the world by creating artificial holes in the ground. Similar formations have been found in various locations across the globe, including one place that may surprise you the most. Join us today as we journey to Spain to explore the baffling pipes of Europe's twin. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button to join our ever-growing community. And if you enjoy what you see, don't forget to hit that like button for more great videos. But let's jump right into it. Situated high up in the mountains of southeastern Europe is a geological formation known as Europe's twin. It's a striking rock formation that has captured the attention of scientists and tourists alike, with its unique appearance resembling that of a giant gaping mouth. The site is located near the town of Faceless in the province of Granada, Spain. It's part of the Sierra Nevada mountain range which stretches across southern Spain. This particular peak stands at an impressive 3,269 meters above sea level. In fact, it was named by Spanish mountaineers in the early 20th century because it resembles the nearby Mulhaken Peak almost exactly. These twin peaks are actually the remnants of a much larger ancient volcano. Over millions of years, the volcano eroded and weathered away, leaving behind these two majestic peaks as a testament to their former glory. But the rock formation is not just interesting because of its unique shape. It has also been the subject of much speculation and debate due to the presence of a series of enigmatic holes that have been found within the rock itself. These holes are not natural rock formations and were not created by erosion or weathering. Instead, they are man-made and were likely created using sophisticated tools and techniques that we can only imagine. According to research, the site has been inhabited by humans for centuries, with evidence of human activity dating back to the Neolithic period. However, the origin of the holes remains a mystery. Some experts believe that they were created during the Bronze Age when the area was inhabited by a culture known as the El Argar people. Others believe that they may have been created much more recently, perhaps during the Islamic occupation of Spain in the 8th century. What makes these holes so fascinating is that they appear to be too large and too regular in shape to have been created by hand. It's unlikely that primitive tools would have been able to create such precise holes without modern equipment. What's more, the holes seem to go down several hundred feet, far deeper than any mining operation would have been able to achieve at that time. The holes were first discovered in the early 20th century, but it wasn't until 1974 that they were systematically explored. A team of researchers from the University of Granada used traditional climbing techniques to reach the bottom of one of the holes. They found that it was completely empty, with no sign of any mining activity or other human-made structures. Since then, several other holes have been discovered, but none have yielded any definitive answers as to their purpose or origin. Some researchers have suggested that the holes could be the remnants of ancient mining operations, perhaps used to extract metals such as iron, copper, or lead. However, there is no evidence to support this theory, and it's not clear why these metals would have been extracted here. Others have suggested that the holes could be the result of ritualistic practices, perhaps used for burial or as a place to store sacred objects. Again, there is no evidence to support this theory, and it's difficult to imagine how such a large structure could have been built without leaving any trace. Perhaps the most controversial theory is that the holes are the work of extraterrestrials who may have landed in the area and drilled into the rock for unknown purposes. While there is no evidence to support this theory, it's certainly an intriguing possibility, given the lack of any other plausible explanations. One of the most interesting aspects of the holes is the fact that they seem to be perfectly aligned with certain stars in the night sky. This has led some to believe that they could be used as a sort of astronomical clock, with the holes corresponding to specific constellations or even planets. However, there is no evidence to support this theory, and it's unclear how such a system could have been used. Another interesting aspect of the holes is the fact that they are located in an area of great natural beauty. The Sierra Nevada mountains are home to a variety of rare and endangered species of plants and animals, as well as some of the clearest skies in Europe. This has led some to speculate that the holes may have been created by a highly advanced civilization that sought to harness the natural resources of the area. Despite the many theories that have been proposed, the truth is that we simply don't know who created the holes or why. They remain one of the most enduring mysteries of Europe's twin and have captured the imagination of people around the world. It's important to note that not all experts agree on the artificiality of these holes. Some geologists argue that they are natural formations that have simply been shaped by erosion over time. However, this theory does not explain how the holes could have been created without the use of tools or why they are so perfectly aligned. The debate surrounding the pipes has been going on for decades with no clear consensus among experts. Some believe that they are evidence of a lost ancient civilization, while others argue that they are nothing more than natural formations. Despite the uncertainty, the pipes continue to fascinate scientists, tourists, and anyone else who comes across them. It's possible that we may never know for sure what created these pipes, but that doesn't mean we shouldn't continue to explore them and learn everything we can about them. Who knows? We may yet discover evidence that will finally put this mystery to rest once and for all. Or we may find something even more intriguing, evidence of a lost ancient civilization that was far more advanced than we ever imagined. So, what do you think? Are the pipes of Europe's twin the work of ancient miners, ritualistic builders, or something else entirely? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that like button for more great videos. Thanks for watching. As we wrap up this episode, we want to extend a special thanks to our supporters, whose names you can see on screen right now. Your support helps us produce high-quality videos that bring these amazing discoveries to everyone. If you'd like to join our community of supporters and have your name added to this screen, please visit our support page. We'd also like to take a moment to say thank you to everyone who's subscribed to our channel. Your support means the world to us, and we're so grateful to have you on this journey of discovery with us. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our exciting new episodes. And finally, to those of you who've stuck around until the end, we have a special treat. As a thank you for watching, we'd like to share with you a sneak peek at one of our upcoming episodes. Take a look at this amazing discovery and get a sneak peek at what we'll be exploring in future episodes. Thanks again for joining us today. Until next time, keep exploring, keep asking questions, and never stop discovering.